Hello guys, you are welcome to another series of solving 2020 Wassce questions. We started this by solving from question 1 and now we are in question 3 and B. This is 2020 Wassce GC series questions. Now question 3. The ages of some lecturers are 42, 54, 50, 54, 50, 42, 46, 46, 48, and 48. Calculate the mean age, then question B is standard deviation. Each question from the compulsory part are 88 marks because the first part will be 40 and we have 5 questions, so that will be 88 marks. So you can get all the marks from here. Very good. Now let's move on from there. Now to calculate mean, we have to quickly know that mean means adding everything, summing them together, divided by the number of values we have. But in this case, we are going to be using this method. Remember that mean equals is also x bar, and that is summation fx all over summation f. So we need to calculate fx and to calculate f. So let's get started. We're going to be having something like this. So let's represent the value we have there as the ages as x. So what are the things that we have? If you check very well, we have 42. So let's get started. You will have written that somewhere 42. We have 42. We have 46. You can go back and check the values we have. 42, 46. We have 48. What do we have there again? You can pause the video and go over it severally. We have 50. That's what we call it paste video. You can always do that. Then we have 54. Very good. Very good. So what do we do again? We can quickly do what we call tally, so that it will help you in the exam to know the one you have counted. Then immediately we have frequency. So let's move on from there. 42. How many 42 do we have there? Or you can do this. 42, 54, 50, 50, 54, again. So we have this. So if you do them like that, you will know that we have 42 again. So we have 42 again. We have 46. We have 46. We have 48. We have 48. We have 50. So if you check them like that, you will know that they are 2, 2. So this will help you to check if you have counted well. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you check how many we have there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember that in the tally system, when it is 5, you cross it. Don't forget that. Good. So that means we have 2, we have 2, we have 2. They all occur 2 times. So that means we have summation f as what? 10. And what are we looking for? Fx. So we need to do fx very fast. So 42 times 2, that will give us 84. That is fx. 46 times 2, that will give us 92. 48 times 2, that will give us 164. Can use your calculator to do that. 50 times 2, 100. 54 times 2, 108. Right, very good. Remember that what we are doing here is fx, right? That is 42 times 2, this times this. Good. So if you do it very well, you will be getting summation fx will be equals to what? 548. Therefore, our first question, mean x bar, will now be equals to what? Summation fx, that is 548 divided by 10, and that is what? 54.8, and that is that. Now the next question says we should calculate the standard deviation. Question B, standard deviation. Standard deviation is the square root of variance, and the formula is simply summation f into x minus x bar. Once you know the formula, you can know how to maneuver the table. So we need to do x minus x bar, square it, then times f. The first thing you do is quickly write it out. Quickly write it out. So we need 3 more columns. We need this, then we need this. Once we miss out any, what do you call it now, any number, there will be a problem. Now we have x minus x bar squared. Then we need x minus x bar. From the formula we have, square it. Then we now need f into x minus x bar. I will just do one, then I will populate the rest. Now it means 42, that is x, minus mean 54.8. So you'll be getting what there? You'll be getting minus 12.8. If you do it very well, you'll be getting minus 12.8, right? Then square this. So we give you 163.84. Immediately times f times 2, you get 327.68. I'll do the second one before I populate everything. You say 46 minus mean 54.8, and that gives us what? Minus 8.8. If you do it very well with your calculator, what do you do next? Square it. We have 77.44 times f, that is times 2. You'll be getting 154.88. Take your time to do the rest by yourself, and you'll be getting something like this, 46.24. You'll be getting, statistics questions are usually very simple. Go for it. Then we have minus 4.8. When you square, you get 23.04. Then we have 46.08. Then we have minus 0.8. We have 0.64. We have 1.28. Very good. Now, the next thing to do, we are interested in the last column here. That is summation f into x minus x bar squared. That's what we are interested in. And if you add it very well, you'll be getting 622.4. And that's what we are doing. That is our summation denominator. So the answer will now be square roots of the variance, and variance is 622.4. Summation f that we got was 10. If you do that very well, that inside is the variance. I've been saying it so that you can get familiar with that. This one will give us 62.24, and the square root will give us 7.889, and that is our standard deviation. 7.89. See you in the next video. We are going to be solving question 4.